To create a Snapchat ads account, go to ads.snapchat.com/setup and type in your Snapchat credentials. It will then ask you for the name of your business, your email, and your name. Then type in your phone number, select your country and the currency. It'll ask you to complete your profile and add a photo. Then click Create Public Profile. Then you could skip the following questions and click on Create Ads on the top left. Then select Billing and Payments. Click on New Payment Method, select the payment of your choice, and add in your details.